Oh no, it's 7:30. We're late.
David, wake up. We overslept.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We're going to Costa Rica.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks.
Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us, of course.
Already did.
Taxi here in 10 minutes.
Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet.
You look fine, but still comb time.
Why do we take off our shoes?
For security, they check everything carefully.
Even shoes.
Yes, safety first.
Good morning.
Where are you flying today?
San Jose, Costa Rica.
May I have our boarding passes, please?
Gate 22. Boarding starts at 9:30.
See airplanes. Real ones.
Yes, that's where we'll go soon.
Can't wait.
Check-in done, security done. Now we wait for boarding. Everyone buckled up. Ready for takeoff?
Yes. Look, the wing from here.
Hold tight. Up in the clouds we go.
Would you like something to drink? Coffee for us.
Can I have a cookie? Everything's small up here, but fun.
Whoa, look at the trees and mountains.
I want to see monkeys. I want to swim.
Almost there, kids. Costa Rica awaits.
Welcome to Costa Rica.
Thank you. Can't wait to explore. Welcome to Hotel Blue Horizon.
Thank you. We can't wait to see our room.
This looks amazing. Wow.
Look at the jungle from our balcony.
I can see birds.
And the trees are so tall.
Want it?
I'm taking my favorite swimsuit. Don't forget sunscreen.
We have everything. Let's head out.
The sand is warm.
I want to feel the water.
Look at the waves. Enjoy the beach, kids. Our sandcastle looks amazing.
Don't forget the moat.
Perfect. Let's add shells.
Great teamwork.
Big day tomorrow. Rest well.
Can't wait for more adventures.
Good night.
The waterfall is huge.
I want to touch the water. It's so refreshing.
Be careful on the rocks.
I'm flying like a monkey. So much fun.
Smile for the camera.
Look at that toucan.
Its beak is so bright.
Wow, I want one.
Just admire them from here.
One jumped so close.
Be careful.
They're so funny.
This sandwich is amazing. And the fruit is so sweet.
Yum! I want more ice cream.
Remember to drink water.
Don't slip. I'm a brave explorer.
Almost there.
Good job, team.
Splash time.
Cannonball.
This pool is huge.
D, don't forget sunscreen.
Look at that iguana. It's so big.
I want to see a frog.
Look at all the stars.
I see the Big Dipper. It's beautiful.
One last adventure before bed.
Good night, adventurers. Tomorrow, more fun awaits.
Can't wait.
Good night.
Ice cream every day.
Yum! This fruit is sweet.
I want more.
Remember to eat slowly.
It's so slow.
cute.
I've never seen one before.
Let's be quiet. Don't scare it.
Look at those monkeys.
I want to take a photo.
So many birds.
Stay close, kids. Watch your step.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Amazing colors.
I love Costa Rica.
I want to stay here forever.